up, YouTube, and all my babies? It's your girl, We're Secrets, coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, tell another friend, tell eight mamas and them, because we lady over here. And without further ado, so y'all, I've been on the DH. Because y'all know usually I mess with the expressway, but trying to find stuff on there is becoming a little bit more trickier. It's like one day they'll be, okay, we're showing this, we're showing that, and then the next day you have to be Inspector Gadget to try to find stuff. So I went on to the DH, even though I'll be saying I'm not going to fool with them anymore because they be giving me a hard time or not sending me everything and all that extraness. Y'all, I had to. And when I show y'all what's in this bag, then y'all going to understand the assignment. I'm excited. I hope I do not get disappointed. Fingers crossed. Wait, what is this? Okay, they got it double bubble. Y'all know when y'all see that beige, that's that Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton. Y'all, so y'all know, back in the 99s and the 2000s, the Y2K era, you had to be there to experience it. But anyway, back in that day, if you were born, LV came out with their Murakami. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but y'all get the gist of it. It was basically either the background of the back was either black or either white, but the monogram was rainbow color. What a time to be alive. Y'all, I ain't had no coins. No, I didn't. But my mama definitely got me one from the New York City. Don't act like y'all mamas and y'all aunties and uncles wasn't going on those New York trips getting purses, coming back selling them or wearing those purses. Come on now. They was duping it up before dupes. But anyway, I had my little one. Okay. But y'all, basically LV then came out with the Murakami, I guess like the throwback. I think they have some pieces that's similar to the original one that came back, that came out in the 2000s. But y'all, they even came back. And y'all know, I want to say 7 months ago, I did a video of an unboxing of the Murakami. It's like the trunk box. And I told you, I was like, this bag don't exist, but I got it because it's so cute. And it reminds me of that era. Y'all, unless DH be having the juice early, tell me why they came out with that trunk bag in this collection. I don't know. I ain't trying to put two and two together, but all I'm saying is I did that unboxing 7 months ago. And if y'all don't believe me, I'm going to find it and screenshot up here because somebody's going to be like, she capping. I'm going to screenshot the video and you can go back and watch it. Please make sure you like and subscribe. But yeah, y'all, I did that video unboxing 7 months ago. And here we are now. Depending on when y'all see this video, but it's currently January of 2025. And I think they did the release like the first week of January, if I'm not mistaken. But you had to be somebody to get access. Y'all, I was reading the whole debacle on YouTube. You had to like be like their top spenders or their VIP something. Y'all, anyway, I ain't get it. Y'all know I couldn't get it if I want to. So what did I do? I turned to the DH. Y'all, baby, I just had to. Y'all know I love a good fanny pack. And when I see that, I said, oh, babes, I'm going to find it one way or another. I'm going to find you. I'm going to get you. And baby, you can't tell me. Baby. And it looks just like the regular monogram bum bag. The only thing I'm going to hate is the inside of this. I'm going to have to make sure I don't spill nothing in the inside, because that cream color is going to get messy real quick. Because like if an ink stain, lip gloss, anything, it comes with its own little strap too. There's no pockets in here, but it's still cute. It looked like it may be a little bit smaller or the same size as the bum bag. Not sure, but y'all, I had to. Y'all, and I thought this was so cute because this reminded me of the one bag that they had came out with. I'm not gonna post nothing because I ain't trying to get no copyright infringement. But if y'all remember, it was the same kind of bag. It was way bigger, but it had the pocket in the front and the little golden feet and stuff. Y'all, I seen this one. I thought it was cute. It looks like a little bowling bag. Not too much. It's not too big, not too small. It's just in the middle. Y'all, this is so cute. I had to. This is my childhood. Even though I'm grown now, I ain't paying the real price. We gonna dupe it out. Y'all, this is cute. And I bought all of these pieces from the same person because on the DH, depending on the seller, some of them, like if you buy more than one item, they'll cut off like maybe $10 or $20. So I bought all three. And yeah. And then they had different versions and stuff. Y'all know, reach out to me if y'all want to holler at me, baby. Reach out to me and I'll let y'all know, because they had the other ones. If you're familiar or if you've seen the release, they got the, what is it? I think they got like the square bag. They got the bag. They got the little character on it. The rainbow flowers. So they had all the different ones that's released. It's just those are the ones that I like. They even had the backpack. The only reason why I didn't get the backpack is because the real one, the backpack where the fasteners are gold, but the other one, it didn't have any fasteners. So that was kind of like a dead giveaway. I don't know. I might go back and get it. I really don't need it, but that's why I was like, yeah. Then y'all, I had to get this because I thought it was so cute. Y'all know I have a planner that has the cherry blossom flowers. Y'all, I love cherry blossom flowers. Oh my goodness. And I just thought this was so cute because when my mom, when she went to New York, she got me 2 bags. She got me the little square bag that had the black background with the rainbow monogram, and then she got me the small square bag of the monogram, the brown monogram with the cherry blossom flowers, y'all. And I still got those. And mind you, I'm 33. And when she got me those, I was a teen, like preteen, teen. Like, I don't think I was older than like 13 or 14. And I still have those. Oh my gosh. I'm not a hoarder, but I do keep sentimental things. That's the thing about me. FYI, I'm always going to keep something that's sentimental. But anyway, y'all, this is the cherry blossom speedy. And I had to get it. And y'all know when I do a what's my bag, I'm going to show y'all. I'm going to show y'all how you do it. With the gold hardware. And the inside pocket. Just a pocket on one side. And this might be a size, y'all know I'm not good with the speedy numbers, but this definitely ain't no speedy 30. It ain't the mini one, but it's like probably the medium. It comes with its own strap and also a little purse charm. Okay. But yeah, y'all, I had to show y'all the latest. I'm not buying anything else after this, but I had to indulge in this because this was when I was a teenager. Like, so many memories. So yeah, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye.